It is an organization based on very good personal contacts and very good collaboration.
Welcome to
Fitce General Assembly 2026.
The legal entity as it exists today was created in 1999.
It was a very effective and efficient meeting, very well prepared by our secretary and our communication manager.
I have devoted quite some time in Fitce. I have been president for a number of years also in the past.
What's next? Well, we have to finish our program for 2026, which is still the webinar, or maybe more than one webinar, because we have so many ideas. And then, of course,
Fitce Mobile Congress.
We start with a keynote block that is more technical, and then we have the big keynote of Peter Hinsen. After that, we have a panel on 5G use cases. And we will finish with our famous C-level panel. Check our website for the program.
We have a very, very good networking because all important people in this sector are present at our events.
I hope to see you. We also had a social program before the meeting, one extra opportunity to meet with the members of the Fitce community.
We are discovering Brussels city centre, above all how the city evolves from old to new, some historical insights, but above all, how is the city looking today.
Very good tour guide who showed us a lot of hidden places, hidden paintings, graffiti, but she also showed us the biggest roof terrace of the world that apparently in Brussels.
Fitce Mobile Congress with Peter Hinsen. Register now.